Are you like me and you're too poor to afford an actual PC to live stream things? And you just have your phone? Well, don't worry. There actually is a way to stream, and it's kind of pretty easy. So this doesn't require much brain power from me, and I like that because I don't really have much brain power in the first place. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna open up YouTube, right? Wait a second. Before we go to YouTube, I kinda sorta forgot to say that there are a few problems with streaming on your phone. Oops, I'm sorry I flashed you guys. But there are a few problems with streaming on your phone, obviously. I'm sure you could have guessed. And I'll talk about that later. There's also a way to use a streamer cam, so if you want to see that tutorial, it'll be in a different video. Tell me if you guys want to see that. Pretty pleased with the cherry on top. Yippee! And once you're in YouTube, you just press this little plus sign. Click this little phone icon, or to the orientation button. Flip it so it's left to right or whatever. Change your title if you want. Addressing the allegations. You guys don't have to really know what the allegations are. It's fine. Make it not for kids so that you can see your chat. Most importantly, turn on screencast. Type the game. Click that button. And you're pretty much all good. I'm just gonna make it not public. And next. So it's gonna bring this up. You can change the little thumbnail if you want. Alright, so we're just gonna make it just the normal allegations. And then you're just gonna have to click next. Press got it. Press start now. Alright, so once you start this up, it's pretty easy from here. You can turn off your camera, turn down the profile picture, whatever, blah blah, yep. Open up the game. Now I get to talk about the problems that I said there was earlier. There's a few of them. Some of them are pretty obvious, like, it's going to be horrible quality sometimes. It's going to be very laggy. The comments sometimes just won't work. Like if somebody sends a message in your chat, it just won't send. And finally, your audio. So I'll tell you how to fix those last two, but not before the sponsor of this video. Just kidding, I don't have a sponsor, but you should still subscribe anyway. Back to what I was saying before that little interruption we had there. So for the audio, you can't use your in-game microphone, that thing right there, I'm pointing to it. You can't use that and have audio in your stream at the same time. That's because your phone only lets one app use your microphone at once, so you can't use Rec Room and YouTube at the same time. Another thing to point out is that YouTube uses the audio from your speaker. So anything your little tiny speaker picks up is what is heard inside of the live stream. I did kind of sort of get a little sidetracked. Oopsie. But I'll tell you how to make it so that your stream does hear you. You still won't be able to talk in Rec Room. It'll look like this. So what you want to do is you want to go to settings. I already have them opened. I'm already so cool. Scroll down till you find apps. Click on apps. Search up Rec Room. Go to Rec Room. Permissions and microphone. You don't want it on this. It won't let you use audio for this. Ask every time. I usually do this. And then once you're done that, it works. Then you can talk on your stream and play Rec Room same time. One more little tiny issue with with live streaming. So it's the little comments, your chat. Your chat doesn't work as soon as the stream starts, even if you have this on. So you might have to turn it off and on a few times. And it's a lot better if you have another device, or maybe, I haven't tried this yet, but if it's possible to view your live stream on your phone and type in the chat at the same time. So it'll pop up right around here. if it doesn't fully work and you turn it off and on a few times and you talked in your own chat and it's still not showing up, you can either restart your stream and see if that helps, or just use or just not have a chat right there. Anyways, that's my pretty bad tutorial about how to live stream on your phone, mostly Rec Room. You can do this with any game, I think. I'm pretty sure. Before I end all of my pain and suffering, just one teeny tiny thing. If you want to see how to get a streamer cam on mobile, then say that in the comments, and then maybe I'll do it. I'll think about it.